Herzlich willkommen zurück zu The Wolf Among Us. Ich denke, wir reden mal. Ich muss mit der Holle reden. Wahrscheinlich nicht, sonst nicht hin und müssen die einbrechen. Oh.
Hey, look, Woody, it's the sheriff. Well, come on in, buddy.
Er betrunken. Willst du mich zusammenschlagen?
Brent. What? He's a traveler. A weary traveler in search of some
Was ist falsch mit
hospitality,
dir?
right?
Just what in the fuck is wrong with you?
Nothing's wrong with me. In fact, I'm in a good goddamn mood. So you should take advantage.
Alright. Bin ich
I want a
zusammengeschlagen?
drink. Anybody else want a drink?
Brent, Swinehart said you shouldn't mix
You
it.
think I give a fuck what that fucking guy says? Or what you say?
Was hat er sonst noch genommen?
Brent, really, you shouldn't drink right now.
I can't hear you when you mumble.
Swinehart told me that Holly was here. I need to talk to her.
Holly's asleep in back, but you won't be able to wake her.
Really?
Was hat sie genommen?
Well, the doc gave them both barmecidal ambrosia for the pain.
Look, the deal is, if you resist going to sleep, like I am right now, it gives you a very, very, very nice high.
Oh god.
He said that he shouldn't mix it with alcohol.
Wollen wir ihn aufhalten?
Yes, he did. Certainly did. But let me tell you something. I haven't felt this good in a long time, fat boy.
Have you seen her sister's things? What wasn't burned at the funeral? I saw her come in with something, but I didn't see where she put it.
Nope, haven't seen it.
Oh god.
That funeral back there, that was a shitty fucking send-off for a pretty okay lady.
Yeah.
You weren't fucking there. Talking to Bigby now, okay? Can't say you being there helped things much.
Brent, don't start nothing.
Who's starting anything? I'm not.
You didn't exactly help things by charging in like that.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. Wait, what's that called? Blaming the victim? Something? Holly and I were the ones that got shot.
Ja,
So did I.
Whatever.
genau.
Alright. I'm too out of it to get into it. I want to clear the air. We're all in this dung heap of a fucking shit down together. We're all gonna have a toast. All of us.
Listen, I'm here for one thing. To look through Lily's belongings and get out of here. Now,
Yeah, I know. And I want to help you, okay? And I will. But first, indulge me. It'll take 2 seconds. As a show of good faith. And after, we'll all hunt and peck for Lily's shit or whatever.
Brand Bigby didn't come here to get loaded with you.
I don't want to get loaded with
Ah,
him.
komm, ein Drink für auch, um ihn ein bisschen mild zu stimmen, weil wenn er uns kann helfen kann, der weiss das wahrscheinlich
Dead.
besser. Yep. Und für die Toten. Sorry, ich habe gerade das Fenster auf, falls ihr den Motor draussen hört.
Alright, now help me.
Ah, shit.
Brand, the doc said you needed a rest.
How many times you fucking gonna warn me about
Whoa.
it, huh? You're not my fucking mother, so just get off my back!
Was
I
ist jetzt
said I
passiert?
was sorry, all right? I can't do anything about it. It's done.
Nah, come on! Separate, man.
What more do you want? What else can I fucking say here?
I don't want anything from you, Woody.
Hör doch
Cut
auf, man.
this shit out now. I don't care what it's about.
Oh, I forgot. You haven't heard the news. This
Okay.
fucking lard cake was paying Holly's sister to let him fuck her behind all of our backs. And Holly had to find out going through all of her sister's shit.
Ah,
What fun
shit.
that must have been. Trick after trick of this fat ass and Lily.
I didn't plan for that, all right? Our thing, whatever it wasn't a big deal. It wasn't. I never fucked her when she was snowing. I didn't know nothing about that.
No,
Okay.
but you knew Holly would flip out. And you knew for a damn good fucking reason.
Oh shit.
You know what? Fuck this. I don't need this shit.
Oh yeah, that's it. Now you're teary-eyed. You were always such a lowlife. I never realized it till now. What do you think about this fucking loser, Sheriff?
I
He
don't
can
know.
think whatever he wants. I don't give a shit.
No, that's okay.
Ah,
I'll tell you what I think.
Give it a rest. Ich hätte ihn noch gerne fragen, aber...
Lily is dead. So let's put this whole thing to rest, Gray.
Er kann uns vielleicht noch später Fragen beantworten. Aber wenn sie jetzt noch länger zusammen chillen, gibt es vielleicht noch schlimmere Sachen. Aber
Gran. I don't know where Lily's shit is. Check Holly's room, I don't know. But
Okay.
I wouldn't wake her if I were you.
Yep.
Sleepwalkers and trolls. I think that's the rule.
If I can't find her stuff, I might have to.
Actually, Big B, if you'll excuse me, it seems that I'm gonna pass out. What a day. Am I right, Sheriff? What a fucking day.
Gran won't remember this. Oh, great. Wo ist dein Glamour, schöne Frau? Vielleicht müssen wir sie wirklich wecken. Hm. Ja, aber wo sollte das Zeug sein? Muss ich ein bisschen touchen. Ah, fuck. Damn! Alright. Sehr schön, danke. Now take it. Ah. Da haben wir wieder so ein Zeichen. Hm?
That you, Woody? Woody? Is that you? Woody, bar's closed. And Lily ain't around anyway, so... you
Ich ignoriere
can
sie.
Run off back to the woods, I guess.
Okay, hat funktioniert. Dort hat es wieder so ein Teil. Hm. Ist echt eins davon die Witch? Ich glaube es nicht.
Did you care about her at all? She was a nice girl. Ran around too much, but a nice girl.
Ich muss sie weiter ignorieren. Ich weiß nicht.
I thought you were a friend.
Ich habe wahrscheinlich nicht allzu viel Zeit. Jetzt wacht sie dann gerade wieder auf.
I don't know why you fucking came here. There's nothing left for you to ruin. And I'm not in an entertaining mood.
Go back to
Just-
sleep.
Go back to sleep, Holly.
Was ist das? Addressbook. Wieso habe ich es nicht vorher schon angeschaut?
Lily's funeral. It was just so fucked tonight. I just don't know what Bigby's doing. If he cares about it. If he even gives a shit. I don't know. I don't know why he showed up. I just
cares.
wish he'd get out of my fucking life.
He cares about this. About Lily. About Faith. I know he does.
You think so?
Yeah.
Well, you know him better than anybody, so... I guess I'll take your word for it.
Voll drauf ist sie. Ich denke, da haben wir etwas gefunden. Oh? Pick up the phone.
We're getting your glamour on this day. And one of these has to be the witch.
Aha.
Auntie Greenleaf. Gotcha.
AG oder was?
Hello, this is Snow White calling. I'm looking for Bigby. Is anyone there? Bigby, if you're there, pick up, okay?
Sure. Okay.
Oh, thank God. Tell me you found something.
I
Yep.
got it, Snow. Her address was here with Lily's things. It's on, White Plains Avenue, 1284. It's an apartment complex.
Great. Let's get going. Crane's meeting her in a few minutes.
All right, let's go. I don't want to miss him.
I'll meet you there.
All right, I'll see you there.
Okay. Jetzt wird's spannend.
Bigby! I just got here.
Yeah,
Okay.
me too. It's number 23. I haven't seen it yet.
We're late.
Yeah, I
Fuck.
know. This is it.
All right. How do you want to do this?
Reinbrechen. Zuerst mal hören.
Hear anything?
If anyone's in there, they're being awfully quiet.
Oh.
Hello?
Hi.
Oh.
You woke me up.
Sorry about that.
Is something wrong? I don't think I've ever seen you before.
Well, pardon the intrusion. I wasn't aware this was a Munchkin's house.
Well, Dorothy, it isn't.
Oh.
Sharp kid.
Who are you?
Wer bist du? Ist das Twitch?
Rachel, who are you? Just so we're not strangers.
I'm Bigby. This is Snow.
Pleased to
Ist das
meet
Tax?
you. How do you do? Is there anything you need?
Das ist doch
Auntie
die Auntie.
Greenleaf at home? Does she live here?
You mean my mom?
She
Oh,
ever,
okay.
you know, make the nightstand levitate, turn frogs into cats, that kind of thing?
Is she a witch, dear?
Oh, no, I would never call my mommy that. She treats me all right.
Cute.
Is there something you want?
Snow, mach
Can
du
you
das.
just do something here? I never have any idea what to say to these people.
You mean children? Do you mind if my friend here takes a look around? I promise we'll be quick so you can hurry back to bed.
Und er geht schon rein. Okay.
I've been here all night. Nobody's been here.
Wieso ist sie jetzt so aufgeschüchtert?
Okay, Snow, I'm gonna trust your friend not to break anything. Don't get me in trouble.
Okay.
Look for anything unusual.
Yeah, like Crane. He could still be here.
No
What's
one's
that?
been over.
What is this?
Mommy uses that to carve her trinkets. It's from the old world.
Okay.
Trinkets? Like glamours?
Da ist wahrscheinlich das Holz.
There's no one here but me.
Can we believe her?
It's pretty rare to see a burner like this.
Dowdy. That's how we like it.
Your mom a hunter?
Oh no, she never... That was found in the woods around Dick's Mountain, I think.
Okay. Was ist das?
Let me
Record.
guess. Big band or classical?
Honky tonk.
No accounting for taste.
Das ist ihre Mutter.
Uh-huh.
Ha. Also irgendwie glaube ich ihr ja nicht so sehr. Open up. Wahrscheinlich ein Wandschrank, hä? The Butcher.
What's that?
A package having to do with someone called the Butcher.
Okay, ist das ein Hinweis auf den Mörder oder ist das einfach gleich ein anderer Typ. Ich weiß es auch nicht.
Nothing that looks like Crane was here either.
Wir haben noch eine andere Tür.
See?
Hat doch da noch eine andere Tür gehabt?
I saw a spider over there yesterday.
Oh?
It was a pretty one.
Ich sehe doch, dass dort noch eine Tür ist. Gottfried Stutzi, so geht es nicht öffnen. Big B, come on.
Do you like broccoli? Not really.
Wir schauen im nächsten Part weiter. Ha? Bis dann. Peace.